Let me show you how to use the Google Translate function in Google Sheets to create a table that can be used to automatically translate words between different languages, just like you see on screen right now. To use the function, write equals Google Translate and in the bracket specify the cell where the text you want to translate is located, followed by the two-letter code of the source language, meaning the language you want to translate from, and then the two-letter code of the target language, meaning the language you want to translate to. That means that it's very important to have access to all of these two-letter codes, so here is a list that should be comprehensive for all languages and their codes. You can also find such lists online by googling two-letter language code. Now it's simply a matter of creating this formula for the different languages I want to translate to. Once this is done, it's very easy for me to translate different words or sentences automatically in Google Sheets. Note that when translating to languages that uses different alphabets, the function will use the alphabet of the target language. If you want to learn more tips and tricks in Google Sheets, I highly recommend you check out this playlist. Thank you so much for watching.